Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How to Crypto. In this episode, I will guide you on how to get logged into your Trust Wallet app. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, before moving on, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download Trust Wallet app on your device. Now, for that, head over to the Play Store and there search for Trust Wallet. Now tap on install button to install the app on your device. Now once your app gets installed on your device, tap and open up the app and there you will see this interface on your screen. Now if you haven't registered your wallet yet, you can tap on create a new wallet and then follow all the on-screen prompts till the end to create a new wallet for you. Now if you already have an account, then tap on I already have a wallet. Once you tap on it, you will taken to the import page. Now from there, tap on multi-coin wallet option and there you will ask for the phrase that you have copied during your sign up process. Now paste the phrase and there tap on import button. And there you go, you have successfully get logged into your Trust Wallet app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.